Hello, my name is Paul Bellefeuille. I'm here today at a snowmobile show in Derby, Vermont, and I brought my 440 SRX. It's a 1976 model, first year for the Yamaha water-cooled engine. The machine was designed to be oval raced. Let's talk about the construction of the snowmobile. We have an aluminum chassis, the lightweight, very thin fiberglass hood. You can see it bends easily, very light. We have an aluminum ski versus the metal. The suspension does not have any shock absorbers in it. Again, you don't need any suspension for ice oval racing. Machine, water-cooled, first water-cooled engine for Yamaha, and it has 86 horsepower, which at the time, a fan-cooled engine of this size basically had 45 horsepower. So very, very high horsepower engine. This machine is all original. It has the original airbox, carburetors, expansion chambers, and engine. It has a 2-gallon gas tank for lightweight, and again they didn't need large quantity for oval racing. The seat is padded extra on the left-hand side because when you turn left, your body would be pressing on this side of the seat and give you good support. Very nice example of an all-original 76 SRX 440.